and gentlemen, today is not just a ceremony. It is a launch pad. For too long, the narrative about our youth has been one of potential, but potential without a platform that is just a dream. You are not waiting for the future. You are building it right here, right now. Today, we move from potential to power. This pass-out parade is our loud declaration to the world that the youth of Machakos are no longer looking for seats at the table. They are building their own table. Over the last few weeks, you have been forced in the fire of discipline. You did not just achieve physical and emotional fitness, you also mastered life skills and patriotism.